The first thing, now let's start with the system information. From the Manage Jenkins here, scroll down, you can see that we have the status information, which is the system information. So here you can see that all the system properties or information you want. So for example, the AWT toolkit, as you can see, the version of it, the executable war, this is the executable war and the place. So this is needed actually when you want to update your Jenkins and you want to replace the old Jenkins.war file with the newer one. The file encoding, actually you can see that there are a lot of information here. So you can see that we have the Java home directory, which is this place, the temp directory /temp, and you can see actually a lot of things. So one thing I want to mention is the user home. As you can see, the user home, the user which is Jenkins is var lib Jenkins. Okay, this is the directory for the Jenkins user. Okay, and the user dir is /, as you can see. Here are some of the environment variable like the home, Java home, Jenkins home. See, Jenkins home is the same as home. The log name, language, shell, pwd, a lot of things actually. Now here are some of the plugins that are installed with the version, and you can see that we have the memory usage here and so on. Okay, so far so good. All right, thanks for watching.